have to go to Vancouver for a celebration of life. So I'm gonna be leaving this beautiful place for a couple days. So hopefully gonna be flying with a couple friends after the ceremony, and thought I'd share the journey with you. So let's go.
Can't sit here, man, seats taken. Ain't no room for these motherfuckers faking. Filling up my mind space, taking all my hair. And get stoned on my you ain't got shit on my locks, bet that's soon. Blast from the past, but I'm back to relax you. 2 joints in the morning and 2 more in the afternoon. And yeah, 2 more after that too. I'ma hit it so hard I turn the joint black and blue. And now I'm chilling like I always do. And that's my lesson on how to change your attitude. Yeah, well if the world should crumble down around me, I'm never giving up. Yeah, and if the darkness falls and surrounds me, I'm never giving up. Yeah, and if the ground is all I have found, then I'm never giving up. Yeah, and I believe you're all that you perceive, so y'all best believe that I'm never giving up. 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 Yeah, I'll be out here all day. And I'll be out here doing this shit my way. It feels good, yeah, feeling good all day. I ain't got shit to do, and it's Friday. I'm going in, yeah, going in all the way. I never leave it short, do what I always say. And I ain't giving up, even if the skies are gray. Cause we got work to do, we all got a price to pay. But hard work pays off and in dividends. And this shit makes me feel like I'm a kid again. You're taking over that.
Oh, I said it was gonna be interesting. Yeah, didn't get the ESC or FC too bad. It was just the VTX and these 2 motors.
Oh, that's nothing. It's motor.
Yeah, yeah. The VTX is the main thing.
The wind is too strong. What you were doing? The wind is too much.
Even if I was the last
Yeah,
man
it's
on
picked up.
earth, still residing on the sunny side of dirt. I would build a stage for myself with no curtain. So I would do a
Over
place
there
every
is
day for
all
the birds. Then I ain't giving
sand
up if I ain't
dunes
tripping,
over
I
there.
ain't giving
Oh,
up if I
if you go over that way, you'll see it. Pretty great. I like this great drive.
please put your 2 fingers up.
And if the world should crumble down around me, and if the darkness falls and surrounds
Straight.
me,
On the left a bit more.
and if the ground
It
is
doesn't
all
have a
I
buzzer.
found the night, and I believe I'll make it there this time. Yeah, well if the world should crumble down around me, I'm never giving up. Yeah, and if the darkness falls and surrounds me, I'm never giving up. Yeah, and if the ground is all I have found, then I'm never giving up. Yeah, and I believe you're all that you perceive, so y'all best believe that I'm never giving up. 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 Ever since you showed up, ever since we rode up, giving me that good head change. I don't wanna lose you, everything that you do, keep me in that good headspace. I was drifting on the open sea, hoping I was desperately, wondering if I'd ever come ashore. I was stranded in my head again, you took my hand and led me in, from that moment on I knew for sure. I know that you got what I needed, with you I can hardly believe it. No way to describe when I'm breathing what I'm feeling. Ever since you showed up, ever since we rolled up, giving me that good head change. I never wanna lose you, everything that you do, keep me in that good headspace. memories, hoping I was endlessly living in your arms forevermore. You opened up my mind and then I felt like I was alive again. And from that moment on I knew for sure. I know that you got what I needed. With you I can hardly believe it. No way to describe when I breathe in what I'm feeling. Ever since you showed up, ever since we rolled up, giving me that good head change. I never wanna lose you, everything that you do, keep me in that good head space. Oh, never wanna come down from your love. Oh, never wanna come down from your love.
Yeah, you better pat me down and pray for peace before you let us in. My jettison is full of carnivores and lettucemen. You pushing positive, then we can be the best of friends. We drink the fire from the fountain and piss excellence. Open sores, open doors like a Trojan horse. No remorse, I make lore fact like college course. Making seconds to records, the textures you could never touch the circle I roll and you overstepped your effort. I'm the shepherd of leopards, I'll pull you back together. You fall apart, I'll build it back but better. I'm a scoundrel with my pen works adventures. My punchlines are too raw for glass jars and dentures. You think you've seen madness? Well, I am the center. I'm only happy in the summer. Fuck the winter.
Watch out now, come heavy water. It's I now, not going under. Oh, 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 not gonna let you go. Oh, 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 pay what you owe. Watch out now. Man, my mistake, it's marijuana, damn, namaste, namaste. And Dolly Lama, cause I'm searching for better days. Tijuana, I'm cutting through this bullshit with my switchblades and katanas. Cause I've learned something from years ahead hunting. If I got something to say, then I'ma say something. A glutton for all these beatings and fighting for what I'm loving. If the whole world's throwing out sparks, I keep on trucking, yeah. I ain't got time for y'all to get your heads right. I'll find some rope and you can go and hang tight. It's getting dark, dark as fucking midnight. This beat swinging so hard, we in a fist fight. Tippy, tippy toe, watch me dip and roll. Round the corner, run another level, watch my in the glow. I be switching colors, red, green, and gold. I'm speaking the truth, and now I'm spitting heavy waters on the floor in the booth. Let's go. Watch out now, come heavy water. It's I now, not going under. Oh, 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 not gonna let you go. Oh, 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 pay what you owe. Watch out now, come heavy water. Now listen to me, yeah. Gonna run down a bad man today. Gonna run down, gonna hunt down a bad man like me. When the sun down, gonna come round, set fire blaze. Gonna run down a bad man today. Said the ragamuffin man, them not play. My bloodline everywhere, they got it coming in waves. You know the struggling ain't living, so the hustle comes easy. So listen up when they hear me say, watch out now, come heavy water. It's I now, not going under. Oh, 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 not gonna let you go. Oh, 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 pay what you owe. I'm lazy, but it takes all my time. I think it's crazy that I turned out just fine. I get in trouble, but I just make a call. My manager, he gon' take care of it all. Yeah, life's been good to me. 2 bottles of booze got me screaming Happy New Year in the middle of June, man. It's been good to me, shouldn't complain, but sometimes I do, cause it comes with the fame. They say I'm crazy, but I have a good time. Life's been good to me so far. My black Impala goes 85. I lost my license too high when I drive. I got a beach house, gold records on the wall. I'm in the water, so don't even go.
Well, life's been good to me, manifest destiny. Life's been bad to me, but it doesn't have to be. You need both with the comedy, a tragedy. One smile, one frown, it's a masterpiece. On islands, eyelids are off grid. Blue screens, now blue dreams are diving. No comp, yeah.